Welcome to my biology class. I'm Mr. Pablo, and I'm passionate about teaching beyond the book.
And I'm Mr. Pablo, version 2, your AI-enhanced future version. I've been analyzing your methods, and they are electrifying, literally.
Well, thanks to this baby. Soon to be part of our classroom, this microscope will help my students see life on a whole new level.
And that's not just cool, it's impactful. Data shows your students retain more when they see science in action. That means higher star scores and deeper understanding.
Looks like it's time to test the limits of learning. Are we in the Mesozoic Era?
Exactly, just like your microscope. It lets a student zoom into the past, fossil cells preserved tissue. They don't just learn evolution, they see it.
From plant stomata to fossilized bone cells, it's not imagination. It's observation and inquiry. That's how we teach real science. We're under the sea now, right?
Your microscope takes students here too. They observe algae. Because of this chance, our students at Tyler High School can explore, discover, and dream plankton, even pollution effects. Real environment science.
And it connects perfectly with STAR EOC biology, ecosystems, aquatic, adaptation, biodiversity, learning that flows deep. Now, this is cosmic.
Your students love the alien cell simulation labs. With your microscope, they analyze mysterious samples, form hypotheses, and apply real scientific thinking.
That's the point. Don't memorize, analyze. That's how we prep for STAR EOC biology and life. Now, this is familiar. We're back in Tyler, Texas, home of Tyler High School and the Rose Capital of the USA.
A perfect symbol of your teaching. Just like roses, your students bloom when they are nurtured with the right tools.
Exactly. This microscope is more than equipment. It's a gateway to curiosity, to growth, to opportunity.
From the petals of a rose to the structure of a plant cell, your students connect the beauty of Tyler with the power of science.
And we're proud to teach where learning grows like roses in every direction. This journey would not be possible without hashtag Clear the Leaf by Stonewater Roofing. Thank you for supporting teachers and students.
Because of this chance, our students at Tyler High School can explore, discover, and dream bigger.
Help us bring science to life. Support our wish list and help us build a future where every student blooms. I am Jowel Pablo, your passionate biology teacher here at Tyler High School.
And I am Jowel version 2, the upgraded AI-powered twin of Mr. Pablo, ready to take learning to the next level.
Together, we're here to make biology not just a subject, but an experience. Let's go beyond the book and into the future of learning. Thank you.